Got an unboxing, got something in the mail. I'm excited. What could it be? We'll use my Urban EDC f5.5 Sagai TI to open this bad boy up. Ooh, I wonder what this could be. Oh baby, Asher Knives. My buddy Justin runs Asher Knives. He is an awesome person. Oh my goodness. Oh, focus. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, get out of there. Oh my goodness. This is the newest version of the Asher Spiro TI. Wow. I love that like bead blast stonewash finish on the TI. Pretty sweet, guys, pretty sweet. All right, that's it. Unboxing's over. Later.